Good morning children, welcome to the class. Hope you all are good. Okay, see, in previous classes we have learned about what we have learned. We have learned about latitudes, longitudes and equator and North Pole, South Pole, Northern Hemisphere, Southern Hemisphere, everything. Now, see, we have learned about the different times in different places. Why there are different times in different places? Because the earth rotates from east to west. So the eastern parts of the earth experiences the sunlight first. Okay. Later, the other parts in the world experience the sunlight first. Okay. See, I'll ask a question. You have to answer now. Okay. Why do you think the live telecast was scheduled at different times in the mentioned cities? See, first you have listened the question. No, now I am telling the purpose why I asked this question. See, the second one-day match between England and India on January 18 at the Sydney Cricket Stadium, Sydney. The live telecast of the match in Sydney, Mumbai and London began as follows. Okay, see, cities. Date of cities and countries, date of telecast, time of telecast. Okay, first Sydney, Australia, because this cricket match will begin in Sydney only. Okay, Sydney is in Australia. Day January 18th. Very good. And the time is 2:30 p.m. What is the time the match began in Sydney? Yes, 2:30 p.m. Okay. Remember the time? The time is 2:30 p.m. Mumbai, India. In India, the city is Mumbai. Okay, same date, January 18th. What is the time the live telecast of the match will show on the television? 8:50 a.m. What is the time? Same date. And what is the time? 8:50 a.m. means morning. Okay. Just remember the time in India also. You have remembered the time in Australia and India. Now, London, UK. Same date, January 18. And the time is 3:20 a.m. 3:20 a.m. You also remember this time also. Now, in Australia, at what time the match will start? 2:30 p.m. p.m. means afternoon. Okay. Next. In India, 8:50 a.m. a.m. means very good, morning. And in London, 3:20 a.m. a.m. means here 3:20 a.m. means early hours of the day. Okay. See, why the difference is here? So that is the question I have asked you now. Why the difference is in the time? Tell me. Yes, very good. Earth rotates from west to east. Countries that are in easternmost part of the earth experiences the sunlight first. Very good. The places mentioned here are in different longitudes. Hence, the time also different in each place. Okay? Okay. See now, open all of you open page number 13. Okay, see. Things I have learned. Complete the mind map. You have to complete the mind map. See what they have asked. Imaginary lines on earth. Imaginary lines on earth. What are them? What is the important longitude? Can anyone answer what is the important longitude? Very good. Prime meridian. The important longitude is prime meridian. The important longitude is prime meridian. Important longitude is prime meridian. And important latitudes. Can anyone answer? Important latitudes. First one they have given. Yes, Arctic Circle. And the second one is very good. Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer. And another one, Equator. Very good. Equator. Next, Tropic of Capricorn. Okay. See, what are the important longitudes? Important longitude is prime meridian. And what are the important latitudes? Important latitudes are Arctic Circle, Tropic of Cancer, Equator, Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle. Very good. Now heat zones. What are heat zones? Name them. Very good. Torrid zone. Next, temperate zone. And freeze zone. Freeze zone. Okay. Now see, this is a mind map. What is this? Imaginary lines on Earth. Important longitude. What is the important longitude? Prime meridian. Very good. And important latitudes. What are they? Arctic Circle, Tropic of Cancer, Equator, Tropic of Capricorn, and Antarctic Circle. Now, heat zones. What are heat zones? Torrid zone, temperate zone and freeze zone. Okay. Now, see glossary all of you. Equator. The imaginary lines running across the center of the Earth that divides Earth into northern and southern hemisphere. What is equator? Equator, the imaginary lines which runs in middle the Earth and it divides the Earth into two halves, that are northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Latitudes. The horizontal imaginary lines running from east to west. What are latitudes? The horizontal imaginary lines running from east to west. Longitudes. The vertical imaginary lines that are running from the north pole to the south pole. Now, what are longitudes? Longitudes are vertical imaginary lines running from north pole to south pole. Northern hemisphere. The half of Earth above the equator. What is northern hemisphere? The half of the Earth above the equator. See, the half of the Earth. Okay? The half of the Earth above the equator. Prime meridian. The 0-degree longitude that divides Earth into the eastern and western hemisphere. What is prime meridian? The 0-degree longitude that divides the Earth into eastern and western hemispheres. Okay. South Pole. The southernmost point on earth. South Pole means the southernmost point on earth. Okay. Next. Southern hemisphere. The half of earth below the equator. What is the southern hemisphere? The below half of the earth is called southern hemisphere. Okay. Now, see page number 14, all of you. Fill in the blanks. Okay. Fill in the blanks. So now you have to fill the blanks in your textbook only. See, I am writing on the board. You have to answer that. The equator divides earth into two equal halves called the northern and southern. Northern and southern. Hemisphere. Very good. Sorry. Okay. Now, second one. The 0-degree longitude is called the 0-degree longitude. Good. Prime meridian. Third one. Heat from the sun is not equally distributed across the surface of earth because of the dash of earth's axis. What is that? Tilt. Very good. Tilt of the earth's axis. Okay. Now, the upper and lower limits of the torrid zone are marked by dash in the north. Dash in the north. What is that? Fourth one. First blank. Very good. Tropic of Cancer. And the second line, and dash in the south respectively. What is the second one? Tropic of Capricorn. Okay. Now, state whether the following are true or false. True or false. First one. Hemisphere is a term that refers to a half of earth. True or false? Very good. True. Second one. The Arctic Circle is a longitudinal line. Arctic Circle. True or false? False. Good. Third one. Longitudes are closer together at the equator and further apart near the poles. True or false? False. Very good. Now see fourth one. Latitudes help in measuring time. Latitudes help in measuring time. True or false? False. Very good. This is the class for you today, children. Okay. Bye. Have a nice day.